Uluwatu, the 5 world-class reef break waves of Bali. Uluwatu is a world-class left-hand point break located on the southwestern tip of the Bukit Peninsula in Bali, Indonesia. Nevertheless, the rule of thumb here is, the higher the tide, the more mellow and slower the wave becomes. The history of Uluwatu. While Uluwatu may have been surfed in the late 1960s by visiting American and Australian GIs, its well-documented discovery took place in August 1971, when Aussie surf movie maker Albie Falzon arrived with 14-year-old Steve Cooney of Sydney and former top-rated California surfer Rusty Miller, explains Matt Warshaw in the Encyclopedia of Surfing. After being released in 1972, the movie changed life in and around Uluwatu forever, making it one of the most sought-after waves on the planet. Bukit Peninsula, a swell magnet. 5 world-class waves. It is the southernmost surfing peak and the least crowded section of all Uluwatu waves. It requires a long paddle from Blue Point Beach to get to the takeoff zone, but it could be a good option on small swell days. The peak is the most consistent spot of all 5 waves and features several takeoff zones, depending on the swell angle. Getting in and out of the water. Make sure to dodge the current that will put you in the way of surfers riding racetracks and drag over unwanted corals. Uluwatu, Bukit Peninsula, Bali, Indonesia. Story brought to you by Ida Pasek.